Hello my beloved friends, my name is Bogdan Curta. We'll see today how to make the update for the amazing and beautiful mixer, the DM3. First we must have the update, the firmware on a USB stick that of course we are introducing here on the USB port of the digital mixer, a great mixer. I will speak about him later, one of the most versatile in the world. Let's power on the device. We must be a little patient. It's important to don't disconnect the mixer from the power during this procedure. According to the manufacturer, respectively Yamaha in our case, this can damage our device, so you must pay attention. We don't need to press absolutely nothing on the board, because automatically it will appear the firmware, yes, the options to make the upgrade. We click on our touchscreen, we are touching the update button and we are waiting. This version 3, it was released only some hours ago, version 3 of the operating system, and it's offering us a lot of improvements. Not everything that I will like, but however, something is better than nothing. We have some interesting things between them. It's the capacity of using the auto mixer, which this is the biggest thing, which it's allowing us to let the mixer practically to create the audio mix in case that we are using multiple microphones and one is not in use. The mixer, it will put automatically the volume down, putting back the volume in the moment, in the second in which somebody is using the microphone, which it will release a little the workflow, the stress, the work amount for the sound engineer. We are seeing here that the progress is quite small. Another improvement of the mixer, it's the fact that we are able now to put and to control better the power saving options. It was a little disturbing, the fact that very often the mixer entered in after some minutes in power saving mode if that one it was activated. Now we are able to select the power saving mode to be activated, so the screen to diminish in brightness after 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, in case that we are on the stage to don't have the surprise that our screen is diminishing the light. There are also other improvements which are about the connectivity, the Dante connectivity with the new Yamaha devices. I will like to have a better integration of effects, a de-esser, for example, some reverb, some plus, some DSP effects, but especially my best wish, which is not yet reality. I hope for a future update to be release multi-track recording, which is a must now. All the mixers on the market, they have this, only Yamaha no, which is totally unacceptable. It seems that our device just finished the update finished. Please remove the USB. So we must to remove our USB, and it's written here that our device, it will reboot automatically, but didn't reboot, simply started. So now we have the version 3 on our software. Yes, we have the version 3 operating system, which is absolutely absolutely amazing. I don't know yet how to enter in auto mix. Yes, I did it. It wasn't so difficult. Here we have the auto mix. Apparently, yes, you are able to see what are the volumes. So it's working. I managed to do it on camera by this mixer because it's jewelry. It's a beautiful jewelry, very good microphone preamps, very good DSP effects. Speaking about the DSP effects, we have two of them, stereo each one. We can select all the parameters. They are quite complex. From the factory they don't sound amazing, these effects. They sound good, so don't understand me bad. They sound good. You can use them without any problem, they are very clean, but when you start to enter here on the parameters, and if you are knowing what you are doing, you are starting to obtain a great and amazing sound on these equipments. Everything is changing, everything is absolutely amazing. Of course, we have the motorized faders and all the things which are normal for a digital mixer. I will hope, and I hoped, and I waited very much. Here, if you see this small icon, the tape, yes, my camera doesn't zoom so good. So this is a stereo recording, and I will like, and I'm dreaming for a multi-track recording. Of course, you can't make the multi-track recording using there are two possibilities. You are able to use the USB connection, case in which the mixing board, it will behave like a very complex and high-end audio interface. So you can control your audio interface. You can control the DAW from this mixer. You can use the transport buttons here, and you have multi-track capabilities at 96 kHz. Very good quality sound with ultra low latency. Or the second option is to use the Dante connection, LAM connection actually, but this LAM connection is using the Dante protocol. On your PC you are able to use a virtual Dante card, or you, of course, if you want to pay more and to don't have such a big latency, you can buy a Dante audio card. I use this mixer also on live application, also on studio application, and it worked absolutely amazing, absolutely great. Here you are able to put also pictograms for what you are working. This is the channel strip. The touchscreen is very responsive. It's a capacitive, a condenser touchscreen. Fact that it's meaning that you must to press a little the screen to have a response, which is good because it's eliminating the accidents. You cannot accidentally change something by mistake. So you must and you can be confident about the touch. It's a quite reasonable, quite big screen. The EQ is behaving very well. The compressor is working very well. A lot of people I saw there that they are complaining that Yamaha didn't introduce in this update also a de-esser. But we are hoping for the future to have such a... I'm hoping for a new update in which I will have maybe also my multi-track recording installed there. The preamp for the headphones, it's quite powerful. It surprised me. It has a fan, this mixer, but I never heard in studio condition conditions. It's very silent. Maybe in the summer started a little to work, because it doesn't work all the time. It's working only when is needed, but even then I was not able to hear, and I was especially focused to hear the noise of the fan, but it wasn't there, so you cannot hear it. It's very silent, this device. I would like also to see an improvement on the, speaking about outputs, on the, for example, on the EQ, general EQ, on the outputs of here, general EQ. In my opinion, it's not intuitive. It's usable, you can use it, but you know, going like this through all the bands, it's not my type. I will prefer like this, something like this on all the screen, and to be able to tweak the frequency with my fingers, or if with a stylus, if you prefer. Yes, especially in live, in a live situation, you can get lost very easily, even with experience, because let's be honest, you are working with this not in the comfort of your bedroom. You are working with this with the client on your back in the studio or on a stage. You are not alone, and you have multiple things to do. And I will prefer something more intuitive. I don't like Midas, I don't like Behringer because of the brand and of the, in my opinion, the quality is not there on my standards, the sound quality. But speaking about the operating system, it's easier to work. This is the true. It's beautiful, the resolution on Midas and Behringer, what they did with the operating system, how the graphic EQ it's looking, how everything it's looking. We must to tell the truth, and when something it's better, it's better. But the microphone preamps and the sound, this is the most important thing. It's totally superior on Yamaha, and of course also the DSP, the effect. We don't have any term of comparison. I use the both brands, and yes, smaller and more powerful as a sound quality, and reliable, because Yamaha it's new for the fact that they are using reliable things. The faders, they are very quiet. Very quiet. I didn't wanted now to make a review of this mixer. Actually, I wanted only to show you how to make the update, but you know, sometimes in life you must to have a little spontaneity to do what you are feeling. And of course it's here the passion for devices, for music production, and for sound, and for recordings, and for good music. I will make also on the future other tutorials, so please subscribe, because I will speak about the gain, about my opinions, about the EQ, about the effects. We'll also hear, we'll also listen to the preamps, we'll also hear the effects, trying with multiple microphones, condenser microphones and dynamic microphones. The tests, they will be made with male voice, because only the male voice has also the deepness to see also how warm is the sound. A female voice is beautiful. You can check the response on high end of the sound frequency, but it lacks the warmness of the sound. So if you really want to see how it's sounding a mixing board or a microphone, in my opinion, you need a man voice. Maybe a tenor, because you have also the high end and also the lower, the lower frequencies. So keep connected. I will present a lot of things about these mixers, amazing boards, boards that I recommend from my open heart. From the middle of Transylvania, with all the heart open, how I told you before, Bogdan Curta.